famous people are uploading their photos of becoming old and like 50-60 years ahead, how they're going to be looking like. So that's kind of a new trend, and this is just possible due to an app called as FaceApp. And you might say that this will be a new app as it is trending topic now, but you will believe me not, but this is a 1 year plus old app which is now got trending. So just because when the few celebrities started using this application to make themselves look older, people started to go into it, and soon it has reached a shocking 100 million downloads. And so I wanted to show you guys, most of you people don't know how to use this application, you know, the beginners, and I know that most of the people who will use it and know how to use this application, but this video is for the people who want to do this or are having any errors while doing this. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, first you need to download this application from Play Store or Apple's App Store. The name of the app is FaceApp, and after downloading the application you will be interfaced with this kind of screen. Now if you want to take a new photo, you can click on taking photo, or you can go in your gallery application. After doing the gallery application, when you click on the your picture, it will start a loading screen, and it will prepare itself for the application. And down there is an option called as old option. You can click on that option and do the old setting, and it will take a couple of seconds and you will be done. So there are many other kind of functions of this application, such as changing the background of your photos, you know, making your normal photos look portrait, and there is a lot of things, adding beard, adding sunglasses, adding glasses, and just it's a face editing application, and it's actually going very trending. And there were few friends which asked me how should I convert my photo into that app, or my app is not working. So it might be due to any other technical issues, but if you will follow these steps very simply, this app will be great for you, and it's a great fun. I have also made few nice funny looking images, and hope so you will also enjoy this application. Again, this video is not at all sponsored by this application, and thanks for watching this video. Hope so you like this small video, and if you like, don't forget to subscribe my channel and leave a comment that how was this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.